in this video, I'm gonna be a hitman. Y'all probably seen it on like a Toasty video, but I watch him, so that's where I got the idea from. So I'm just gonna be joining random lobbies, going up, getting bombs, and then I'm gonna leave immediately. But I'll try and hide some. So I can only use crossbow. So I have to get a backpack. So I got my bag. And then put the bombs. Got this on my back. I'll just give this away, I guess. Oh. I'll just put this. Just leave it. Well, actually. I can buy another. I'll just give someone a free appler.
Let me have one.
Hello, anybody?
Hello, bro.
Yo, kid.
Yo, could you help me get
Hello?
Can you sell them?
One. No, people are gonna kill me.
What's in there, bro?
I hate
Dump it out.
Can you join the code?
Can I get my face back?
And sell it.
Yo,
and
I'm
sell
leaving.
some.
Why? Can I get?
So I'm gonna get up here.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
That was mine.
Where was the
That was
red?
mine.
You.
Where's
Kid,
the red
kid,
watch?
No, that was mine.
Kid, I see you, you're right here. You're right here, stay right there. Stay right there, okay, with the umbrella.
Wait, where's the guy with the red watch? I saw someone with red watch.
Okay, get my stuff back. Oh!
They probably
Kid with the umbrella that's going into the list to sign. Give me my umbrella back. Bro, but just an umbrella.
I'm gonna go check.
How do you play this game? It's like Gorilla Tag and
Shitting in my pants like a little
Bro,
bitch.
what?
Like a little bitch.
and
Like a
it's
little
What is
Gorilla
it
and
talking
Lethal.
about? I have a
Company.
shiny
It's like
watch.
Lethal Company. Like Lethal.
Yeah,
How
shiny
do you?
watch.
How'd you get that? How'd you get that? Shiny watch.
You guys are gonna die, just saying.
Bro, this is a killer.
Everyone kill Red Watch! Kill Red Watch!
Kill Red Watch!
Kill Red Watch! Kill Red Watch! Do it! What did I not die?
You are so stupid, and how'd you not kill yourself?
I'm gonna kill myself! Give me the grenade!
You're gonna miss. Bro is so retarded.
Oh my god.
Man. Can someone get me a small red bag?
Can I have a
Backpack's
red
rare.
The fuck? What code am I in? Alright, I need more bombs. See how many I have. One. Four, 5, 6. 6. Where is? Four. Oh.
Thanks, dude.
Who wants to go in the sewers with me?
God damn.
Who wants to go in the sewers with me? You're cooked. Is that even?
Started sick.
You're cooked. Your guns. Bishy, bishy.
Alright,
Bishy, bishy.
Well, Mitsubishi.
no way.
Anyway.
Shit.
I'll buy you some. I'll buy you some.
Oh no, no mind.
Hey guys, who needs a
I need like a lot. I need like a lot. I'm the protector.
Everything
I'm
for
the,
it.
bro, I'm the protector of red watches. I'm the protector of red watches.
Oh crap, he said.
I need
Hey,
this.
will
I
somebody
need
give me a
guys.
teleporter
I
ball
need a revolver,
and
guys.
a crossbow with one of those sword thingies because I want to go to Haunted Mansion.
Can I have some?
How am I red watch? He had red watch.
I know. Thank you. No, it's not.
let me
You
get
already-
I killed a red watch. So how the freak did I get? Ah!
Hey.
My bad, bro.
No, so do this so.
Can someone help me? Please? Can someone help me with one thing?
What?
Please?
Holy. Why'd it take forever?
Shut up.
What? Hey guys, who wants money? Who wants money?
I want money. I need money.
I want money. Okay, you want to go guys? Friend me if you want money. Everybody friend me if you want money.
Mr. Cat, send your friend request.
I want money. If I see somebody with a killer item, then I'm not accepting their friend request. Everybody come here. Everybody come here that doesn't that has only a bow, that only has a weapon. Raise your hand. But no RPGs allowed. Do you wanna know why? Do you wanna know why?
Why?
Because one day when I was playing VR, this person kept interrupting my fight with this pink guy, and then they kept taking my backpack like 12 times.
So can we make money now?
I'm joining you, code.
Okay, yeah, let me accept your friend request.
No one was being active. And no. Keep hitting me.
Oh,
Does anyone want to dupe stuff? Does anyone want to dupe
Calm
stuff?
the fuck down, buddy.
Does anyone want to dupe stuff?
No, nigga. You're that.
Does anyone want to dupe stuff?
Does anyone want to
Yo, what is going on?
Does anyone want to do?
Shit.
Mole.
Holy
Does anyone want to do?
Oh.
Someone's gonna come at.
I'm Abraham.
I'm gonna kill you. No, you're not.
Does anyone want to go to zero gravity?
Abraham
Does
Frog.
anyone want to go to
Abraham Frog.
That's who you are. I'm gonna kill you, and I'm Abraham Lincoln.
No,
Right?
I'm Abraham.
Yeah, well, you wanna go out there?
I'm
Yeah?
an inch.
Hey, thanks.
Someone step right here.
I'm Abraham Lincoln.
No,
I'm
Abraham
Lincoln. Who left
I'm
the
an
rocket
inch
launcher
tall.
on the floor? Just right here. Who left it?
Tap.
I'm Abraham.
I was the one who grabbed the rocket launcher.
Now you're business, nigga.
Oh, yo, what?
Oh my God, I'm
oh,
Abraham
oh,
Lincoln.
oh,
Wait, bro, you have red watch. You have red watch. Red, send the N-word.
Where?
Where?
Red,
send the N-word.
Red, send the N-word. Everybody kill him. Everybody kill him. Kill him.
Holy.
I'm joking. I didn't shout you. Bro, I'm joking. Come back, bro. I'm joking.
Guys, I have to lay. I have the biggest
Are you
sleigh.
still waiting at that place that we
Hey
were
guys, I
at?
have the biggest sleigh in the whole entire world. Guys,
Guys, I have the biggest sleigh in the whole entire world.
Fucking.
Look up if you want to see it.
Thank goodness I had another bomb.
no.
Oh shit. Fuck.
Yo, we chill?
Fuck. I'm leaving.
Guys, someone get the ogre. Come. No.
Yo.
Oh. Alright. Alright. That's gonna be it for this video. I was just trying to like troll people a little bit, but yeah, I think I'll be posting frequently. It will be like random content. So see you guys next video.